Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss methods of garbage disposal, and in this video we will discuss two methods of disposing garbage: composting and vermicomposting. First we discuss composting. The garbage that is biodegradable should be converted into compost or manure by composting. Biodegradable garbage should be collected in pits and covered with soil. The microorganisms in the soil convert it to manure. It is used to increase the fertility of soil and aid in the growth of plant. Vermicomposting. The composting process can be increased with the help of earthworms. The type of earthworm used for composting are called red worms. Worms and microorganisms are added to decay the garbage faster and convert it to manure. The garbage that is biodegradable can be vermicomposted because it can be broken down faster into the simpler substance by worms. While the garbage which is non-biodegradable cannot be broken down. In composting, microorganisms present in the soil help to convert the garbage to manure. But in vermicomposting is faster than composting, as worms help to decay the garbage and convert this to manure. So we say vermicomposting is important method to managing the garbage because vermicomposting is an inexpensive and easy method of managing garbage, which is biodegradable and obtained manure. It can be done easily at home and does not require special tools or other expenses. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.